Green thumbs? Want the juiciest harvest before summer hits? Let's talk early spring planting. February might still feel like winter, but it's the perfect time to start planting those cool season veggies. By starting now, you'll be munching on fresh greens and crunchy roots weeks earlier. Here's what you can plant. First up, cool season vegetables. These guys love the mild early spring temps and can handle a little frost. Think leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard. Or crunchy root veggies like carrots, radishes, and beets. And don't forget legumes like peas and fava beans, they even improve your soil. So how do you get these started? Some seeds can go directly in the ground, while others need an indoor head start. If you're in a mild climate like Virginia Beach, direct sow peas, radishes, and carrots outside in well-draining soil. Just cover them with a light layer of mulch to protect from cold snaps. For other crops like lettuce, kale, and broccoli, start them indoors under grow lights or in a sunny window. Use a light, well-draining seed starting mix and keep it consistently moist. A simple misting spray works wonders. In about 4-6 weeks, your seedlings will be ready to move outdoors. But don't rush it. Gradually introduce them to the outside world to prevent transplant shock. And just like that, you're on your way to an early spring harvest. By getting a jump start now, you'll be enjoying homegrown veggies before summer even starts. Which early spring veggies are you planting this season? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips.